Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these kyanite and brass hoop earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is take our 20 gauge brass wire and we want to string our pendant onto the wire. Then we're going to push both sides up so that they overlap at the top. And then once we have them both crisscrossing, we're going to take one of them and have it go straight up so that we have something to wrap our other wire around. Once we have that, I'm just going to hold this wire right here and take this other one and coil it around a few times. And cut off the excess wire. And I'm going to take my pliers and tuck that wire down and make sure it's nice and snug there. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and put them at the top. And I want to bend it away from me so that there's a 90-degree angle created. And then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of that and make a little loop. And before we close this loop, we want to go ahead and attach this to the hoop. I have to open this up just a little bit more so that it'll slide through. And then now that I've gotten it through, I'm going to hold this at the top with my pliers and coil this back around a few times so that it's nice and snug, and cut off the excess wire. And then just take your pliers and straighten up anything that needs to be tightened up. And then I'm going to take my ear wire and I'm just going to gently twist that open, attach the hoop, twist that back into place. And that's all you need to make these kyanite and hoop earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.